Welcome to the Bulk Payment Express application. The Bulk Payment Express solution automates data handling, simplifies payment processing, and automatically generates remittances. Built on Workday Extend by CloudRock, this app streamlines the entire bulk payment workflow, from uploading CSV data and automating invoice creation to generating remittance advices after payments are made. As a FINS user, I'll search for the Bulk Payment Express task in the Workday search bar. To load data from a CSV file into the application, I'll start by selecting the Upload Data option. First, I'll choose a template from my CSV file. These templates are fully customizable within the app. Next, I'll upload the CSV file, select the option indicating that the file contains headers, choose Validate as the processing mode, and then click OK to submit. This will trigger the load process. You can track the status of the initiated process, and you can return to this page anytime by selecting the View All Import Actions option available on the homepage. If the user wants to automate both the validation and loading processes without any manual intervention, they can select Load Mode from the start. Finally, I'll click on View Imported Data to review the loaded data. The loaded data can be used to create supplier invoices or ad hoc payments in bulk. In this case, I'll create supplier invoices using the loaded data. To do this, I'll select the Submit Request option, which allows me to view all completed import processes. From there, I'll choose the Submit option for this specific import process. First, I'll select the transaction type as supplier invoice and choose the invoice date. Since I want to consolidate the loaded data records to create invoices, I'll check the Summarize option. If I wanted to apply filters, I would select the Filter option, which lets me add filters in the next step. But for now, I want to process all records, so I won't select any filters and will simply click OK. Here, I can review all the options I selected in the previous step, as well as see all the loaded records that will be used to create the supplier invoices. Now, to initiate the payment request, I'll click on Submit Payment Request. Now, I'll confirm the initiation of the payment request by clicking OK. It will redirect me to the payment request background process page, where I can monitor the status of the entire process. By clicking Refresh, I can view all the generated invoices. If I need to revisit this process, I can do so by using the View All Requests option on the app's homepage. To see which records were used to create a particular supplier invoice, I can click on the Know More option. Here, I can view all the records used to create this supplier invoice, and I can even navigate directly to the supplier invoice by clicking on this link. A similar process can be followed to create ad hoc payments. The Bulk Payment Express application handles automatic validation and data loading to ensure accuracy and efficiency when creating supplier invoices or ad hoc payments in bulk, all while maintaining the security of Workday. Ready to see CloudRock in action? Schedule a demo by reaching out to us at connect@cloudrock.global or visit our website at cloudrock.com.